Hi there, my name is Deepak Ramola and I love people and have been asking them for a long time what is their life lesson. This series is all about passing on their learnings and sharing that wisdom with you. I've come to believe that some of our greatest lessons come disguised in the most bizarre and non-obvious circumstantial costumes. In India, they say that the words of elders and challenges in life are like the taste of amla, gooseberry, sour and bitter at first, but if you hold on, they become addictively sweet and unfold a surprising pleasure. Linda Krinsky shared her life lesson and story. She confessed that she was afraid of her dad growing up. It was primarily the tone of his voice. As a kid, she heard a lot of impatience and demands from him. She couldn't do things fast enough or right. But what puzzled her was that he could be completely different with his friends or when he was drinking. He was even more friendly to the kids then. Linda took the bittersweet experience of having a strict dad and molded it into a handbook of how to raise children. When she became a passionate teacher, owing to her strong memory, she was very attentive about her tone of voice, more loving and caring towards the kids she taught at the Juvenile Detention Center for 17 years. It didn't always work, she said, but what it taught her was that what we fear as a child can actually give us immense strength as an adult. We don't always have to be victimized by what we didn't comprehend or couldn't understand as an adolescent, but rather that now with the newfound awareness and motivation, we can call upon our past experiences to help us assist better and navigate through life's learning in a more learned manner. We all know in some degree that fear, introduced to us by stern parent, an uncompromising teacher, an authoritative relative, or an assertive friend. What I find most cathartic as I try to attempt living a more participative life is that we don't have to accept that we are only raised once. We can be re-raised over and over again with our new learnings and the wisdom that others offer to us. Linda said it took her many years, not until she was an adult, to understand that her dad too provided an invaluable gift to her in his ways that changed or influenced her life in big ways. And that there must be an explanation for his behavior that she never considered, which reminds me of the Mary Lou quote, "Frankly, there isn't anyone you couldn't learn to love once you've heard their story." I bet for us the lesson is that we must collect our pain and passion, bundle up our hardships and happiness, gather together our struggles and success, and somewhat put together our wisdom and quest, and start by making sense of it. Which caging fear would you say you need to confront and transform into mesmerizing courage every possible way? I hope you find an answer, and this fuels your day. Hi there! I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, I'm happy to tell you there's more coming. You can send us your life lesson and be featured on this series. Visit us at projectfuel.in and share your life lesson. Let's learn from each other.